Hi there, my name's Steve Garnett. I'd just like to tell you about my upcoming 3-hour online course on behaviour management this term. The dates are all on the Dragonfly website. So if you're looking for a course that will give you lots and lots of practical tools, techniques and strategies to deal with the perennial challenge that is behaviour management for the teacher, this is a course to come to. So just quickly, if I share with you essentially what I focus on, it would be these things. So here we go. First one would be stressing the importance of being proactive and preemptive as a teacher. If we do lots of things before and during lessons and we get those things right, what we'll find is that we're able to head off at the pass problems that might otherwise bubble up to the surface. We'll be drawing from best practice advice as well in terms of what effective behaviour management strategies look like. More than that, it'll be fun, it'll be interactive, it'll be engaging, the time will fly. Delegates tell me that all the time. It'll be real world. I won't be sharing any strategy that I wouldn't employ myself in the classroom. And most important of all, you'll be leaving feeling empowered, equipped, and ready to meet the challenge of behaviour management head on with your class with tools that you can use literally the following day. So if this has whetted your appetite and it's got you interested in the course and you attend, let me know that you've seen this short video and I look forward to working with you on that day. Take care. Thank you.